guys, so welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, okay? Anyway, I had already started, but I'm going to show you guys how I revive my deep wavy or deep curly hair, okay? First thing you're going to need is a spray bottle filled with water. Now, I usually have like some type of conditioner. There's only a little bit of conditioner in here. It's not that much at all. But sometimes I load my spray bottle with conditioner. And I had already started on this process, which is why the frontal hair is kind of tamed. And I was like, oh yeah, I promised them I'd film this video. Some of you guys are probably like, that hair doesn't look that bad, blah, blah, blah. But I like to get it before it gets too bad. Like, can you guys see this? So first thing I do is I section off an area, gently detangling, finger detangling the hair, okay? If the curly hair that you are trying to revive and bring back to life, if it is too tangled, wet that hair first, that curly hair, and then go in with your paddle brush. It doesn't happen with this hair, thankfully. So finger detangling usually works out well. I usually brush out the bottom and it gets really, really bushy. I want you all to see that. This one section that you just saw me brush, I am going to spray. And I'm making sure to get the areas where I had the most tangles and the most issues, which of course is that nape. I'm going to go ahead and do this first step, which is finger detangling and wetting with the water and conditioner. And I will be right back. When I come back, I'm going to show you guys how to make sure that these waves last for days and sometimes an entire week to 2 weeks. So I've gone ahead and I have wet this entire side. This side is wet. You guys can see it's looking really good. So what I do is I paddle brush my frontal usually, just to make sure I get those individual waves coming through that always look so good. And I wet it a little bit more. As you guys can see, this side is not wet at all. It does not look like this. You can definitely see the difference between this and this. This product that you are going to need that won't make your curls hard, it won't make your hair crunchy, is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Wave Whip Curling Mousse. I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's not really, well, I was going to say it's nothing special, but it really is. I'm almost out. I definitely need some more. So it's just going to transform everything. It's not going to make the hair crunchy. But in order to make sure it turns out right, you have to make sure you have a good amount of water on the hair, okay? So I take a lot of this and I always start at the tips and I scrunch. I scrunch it all on the curls. Can you guys see like how it just really transforms your curly hair? I love it. I take some strands and I run them around my finger just to give them that curly effect. So I'm going to take this strand here, run it around my finger. Look at how it just curls up. Like, I just love how it looks when it's wet. I love how it looks when it's dry. It looks way better than this. Can you guys see that difference on how bushy this side is and just how beautiful this side is? And I know it's wet, but trust me, when it dries, it's even more beautiful. And like I said, I just keep scrunching and scrunching and scrunching. And I literally just walk out of the house like this, and throughout the day it dries, and I get so many compliments, you guys. I get so many compliments on this hair when I do this process. Just looks so nice. Versus this side here, which is struggling, okay? We've got defined waves, defined curls at the ends, and here it's just stiff, it's bushy, it's a mess. So I'm gonna go and do the other side, and then I'll come back to close out the video, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I've gone ahead and I've done both sides of the hair. I'm sure you guys have already noticed a huge difference. I've put the mousse in the hair is not hard, the hair is not sticky. It's literally perfect. Like, it's perfect. But other than that, that's my curly and wavy hair routine and how I really maintain my curly and wavy hair. It literally only takes that Cantu mousse, which is amazing, and a water bottle with some conditioner, which I don't even think I told you guys. And the conditioner that I use is Hello Hydration. I love that conditioner, okay? So I also want to let you guys know that I will be doing a hair giveaway soon. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned so that you can stay updated for when I have this giveaway. It will be happening pretty soon. So make sure you're around and that you don't miss it, okay? Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Bye, guys.